Welcome back again. This is Binance futures tricks and strategies. And of course, I do post amazing stuff out here for you to become profitable in the long term. And these are actually just a few out of many strategies that I use. But knowing how to effectively run your total analysis will give you a better advantage in the market. Now, this is CKB, and in my last video, I said I was going to post this, and I asked you guys to subscribe, hit the like button, so you get notified. Now, CKB on the weekly time frame is just like this. Now, can you see that price actually did accumulate around this region? We broke through this support. We broke through this support here. We had a first touch, second touch, third touch. Now we broke through this support level and fell down and reaccumulated somewhere around here. All right, we reaccumulated, price started moving in a range bound, and so on and so forth. And then eventually we broke back into a what trading range. I know a lot of you may be asking, what is the trading range? The trading range is an area where you have um, a low and a high, and a low again. You see, low, high, low. You mark these 2 points, and then you mark here. So here we have our trading range. Now it's back into this trading range again. What is price going to do? That's the next question I know you want to know, want to ask. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's see what exactly is playing out. Okay. On the daily time frame here, we can see that price has made a valid break of structure. Made a break of structure. We can't buy from here, all right? We cannot buy, we can't afford to buy these assets from there. Now, what are we going to do? This area is called premium. This area is called what? Premium. Now, I want to draw out our Fibonacci to look for areas where we should be what? Thinking of buying. Okay, now, anything below 50% is discount. Now, we're going to mark our 50% region. Our 50% region. Take this out. So anything below here so guys, anything below here, don't be in a hurry. Anything below here is where we should be thinking of buying. All right, so we want to wait for price to fall back below this 50% region and then look for change of character to validate what we are doing. Now, I'm going to go to the 4-hour time. I love the 4-hour time frame a lot. It's one of my favorite time frames. All right, it's one of my favorite time frames actually. So here we go. Now, let's wait for price to come back. Let me take this out completely. Let's wait for price to come back into this area. This is 50%. Now, we can see that we had another break of structure here. Can you see this? We had another break of structure somewhere around here. So obviously it's more like there is an order block resting here. It's an order block somewhere around there. All right, there's an order block here, and obviously have our extreme order block around here. All right, so we're not going to take a buy yet. We're not going to hurry into this trade. Want price to come back to our point of interest, which is here or here. Now that is how effectively you can trade. All right, that is how to trade. There's no need to be in a hurry. There is no point trying to what? Be in a hurry. All right, there's no point trying to be in a hurry. So we'll have to wait this out and see exactly how it's going to play out, how it's going to manifest itself right in front of us. Right, I'm going to be holding a mentorship program very soon, beginning of March. Throughout February, I gave out free signals, and I'm very, very sure a lot of you benefited from that. So coming March 1st, we're going to be holding a new training session, right? Where I'm going to be teaching all of these things, um, teaching all of these things from A to Z and how you can start monetizing this skill that you'll be learning. It's a lifetime skill that anyone should have because you can come into the market and see um and just see a trade and then win. All right. Now in the comment section, I want you guys to drop your questions, drop your suggestions. I'm going to be attending to them. Tell me topics you would want me to talk about, support or resistance, and all of those things. Just let me know in the comment section, guys. I'm gonna be here to revert and get them done as quickly as possible. Now we've gone through CKB. I think I have another project that I have in mind. This is Cake USDT. I already gave this as a signal in my channel. Obviously, it's doing well. It's practically doing well. Let's see what the weekly time frame is saying. Because the weekly time frame is like, how do I explain these things now? It's more like you're using Google Maps. It's going to zoom in. It will help you zoom in and zoom out. Okay, I can see that we have a support level here that has been retested. Okay, I'm seeing something like a falling wedge. Okay, seeing something like a falling wedge. Check this out, just seeing something like a falling wedge. Falling wedge pattern is a reversal pattern. Okay, in the next video, I'm going to actually talk about kick. So just keep your fingers crossed because this is going to pump massively. This is going to be a banger. It's going to pump real good. It's going to pump real, real, real good. So turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on this setup that's going to be coming next. I'm going to explain how this is going to pump and why it's going to pump. And of course, support it with fundamentals because a project is not just going to start pumping. It needs to have the wheel support. That's what we call the wheel support. Institutions need to buy into that project. Retailers don't pump a project. Okay. It is the wheels that establishes the trend. But anyway, we're going to talk about that in the next video. Stay tuned. Keep your fingers crossed. We're going to be coming back in less than 2 hours and you see the video. Let's go.